Did you know that coffee was brought to the Philippines in the year 1740 by the two Franciscan friars, and now it is the second most consumed beverage in the Philippines. However, due to the health risks that brought by coffee, there's a lot of coffee alternatives that are gaining popularity in the market. Good day, everyone. We are thankful and grateful to present to you a very promising product with a huge potential in gaining success in the market and a massive impact on the society. This innovative product was developed through brainstorming and taken into action by the business proponents. They formed a general partnership named Alfonso Anabela, Rose Lindsay, Gonzales de Gracias, Lau Emanuel, Masangkay Dian, Yolanda Aaron, and Salas Angeline. Their aim is to define the coffee experience and become the global and one of the largest producers of coffee rice globally. So, they ensure also they influence and create a positive impact on our society and in the environment. The combination of rice and product creates a nutritious product, which is the rice coffee with malunggay. These benefits of the malunggay can create and gives us healthy lifestyle, and also this fusion of rice and malunggay is create a positive impact on our consumers, including the health conscious consumers, and seek positive and healthy nutritious food options. So based on our market analysis, there is a potential and a high potential market of coffee rice in Napali. So with our timeline Rise and Shine with Rice Coffee Kabiko, unlock your potential, embrace your body, and embrace your wellness. Our product is positioned as healthy foods, and we are targeting the male and female at any gender of Napali consumers, including at all ages. So especially we target all the consumers, especially the health conscious consumers or the consumers that want to try new something.
Following are the needed position to oversee the full operation of the company. The general managers, the one who can handle finance, administration, and marketing aspects of the company. Our requirements stated are a bachelor's in business administration and marketing aspects.
Hindi tulad na first.
Marketing aspects of the company. Regularly in the food and beverage industry, the operation manager is the one who oversees and improves daily operation for efficiency and profitability in the company. The requirements needed are a bachelor's administration, major in operation management who can effectively create and execute operational strategies. The admin and finance staff will handle administrative tasks and provide financial support to ensure efficient operation and financial management within the organization. The requirements are college graduates at least within financial knowledge and software activities. The production staff involved in the production process, executing tasks to operate
Survey.
the company's products, high school graduates are
After some
as
intro.
production assistants to communicate equipment and measure protocol. Delivery personnel are responsible for safe and timely product delivery.
Pag nakakita ka ng mga pie chart,
The requirement
tsaka
for
percentage,
drivers are at least
before
in
yun.
driving and communicating with
before
drivers.
nung mga percentage. Interpretation.
The product RCK co-merges the The love taste of coffee rice with health benefits of malunggay with its blend of flavor and nutrients. RCK Co. caters to those seeking convenient yet wholesome addition
Tikman mo
to their
na.
diet. The packaging of the product
Alam ko na ano siya.
Pero siguro hindi naman yung
Wala sa acid lang kasi it's not coffee.
Oo, hindi naman
while
siya
also taking
kape
Hindi
care
siya
of the
acidic.
shelf life of the
Kasi hindi naman
product.
talaga siya kape. Hindi rin siya chocolate.
The company will set the price
Nakaka-curious naman.
price at malunggay coffee
Eh,
based on
bakit
production
coffee ang
cost
mahal?
plus the markup for profit, ensuring
Rice coffee kasi
competitiveness and
substitute siya for coffee.
For coffee.
The RCK location at MacArthur Highway, Sampaloc, Balik, Pampanga provides access to the local market with a focus on both business to business and business to consumer sales. It utilizes internal sales staff and online platforms like Facebook, Marketplace, Shopee, Lazada, and to reach the customers.
Promotion strategy. The RCK will employ online advertising through its website and social media like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. To reach its target market effectively, it will also utilize meme strategy on social media to engage audience
Sabi ko
with
na eh.
humor and increase
Kaya ano eh.
likes. Tarpaulin. Our company utilize tarpaulin advertising around the Pali to effectively capture attention with both visual and consist messaging, making
Dapat
it for
para
promoting
manasan mo
RCK product service to event in high traffic areas. Flyers, RCK will use flyers as stated advertisement to reach their target audience effectively by distributing them in the high traffic areas like malls and streets. For the production process, this let's outline the process of making a rice-based product with roasted malunggay or the moringa leaves as an added ingredient. The key step involves roasting the malunggay and the rice separately, grinding the roasted rice, mixing in a small amount of roasted malunggay, and then preparing the mixture for packaging. After that, it was strictly checked for quality before going to display and deliver. Next. For the raw material needed for this product is the quality rice and malunggay. And for the major equipment, it contains coffee roaster, coffee grinder, and powder filter. This major equipment play vital
May mga
roles
visit tayo po.
in achieving the target production in the given time.
Chuchi.
For the financial analysis, percentage is based on the inflation rate of the Philippines. We estimate that in 2026, 2%, 2027, 3%, 2028, 4%, and in 2029, 7%. No one can tell what is the status of our economy in 5 years. As you can see in the paper, 2025 have cost of sales 4,374,384, which came up from the supply and demand analysis multiplied by the selling price and the unit for cost. Based on the analysis we conduct, there are 312,456 target supply of coffee for the year 2025. On our pricing computation, we come up the price of 70 pesos and add markup of 200% with selling price of 42 pesos. Why? Because compared to our competitors outside, which is the lowest price is 70 pesos, the 200 markup still reasonable and affordable from our respondents. The price they willing to buy our product is 51 pesos, which is higher than price in the tables you can see. We have the project earnings of May period displayed inclusive of the expenses for the whole year after deduction of expenses or business, have a more than 2 million net income year. And for the payback period, partners shared individual capital of 500,000 each, with the total of 3,500,000 built the coffee business. Based on the projection and calculation, it shows that 13 months the partner fully returned their capital investment. Here how to compute. Net income are amount which is cost of sale less all direct and indirect expenses to produce the product and after tax deduction. Accumulated beginning amount is the net income of the first year. The rest are the total of the consecutive year. To get the amount recovered, the capital first net income less the total shared capital divided by the month sales. 13 months is a positive number of the months for return of investment because you already get your initial capital while still having those materials and machines as part of your ownership, which lasts 5 years operation. And for the ratio analysis, as you can see, liquidity ratios has ascending number of ratio. First to 5-year operation, that means that the business ability to service short-term obligation is satisfactory and there is a possible success. The company have enough assets to cover expense without selling the assets. And total of solvency ratio is more than 1, which indicates green flag for business operation. It indicates the company has the financial resources cover its debt obligation and expenses. A sign of good financial health that can make business operation smoother to comply with its obligation. And activity ratio is used to determine how efficient the business in utilizing its asset to generate cash and revenue. In our partner, as you can see, we have same number of turnovers for inventory and payables in the first year and improving ratio in succeeding years. Since we are on a cash basis method, it is indication that we pay expenses, sell product in the same to cover our obligation. And last, profitability ratio, 0.5% to 3.5% ratio is considered as good net profit ratio. As you can see, our return of sales, asset, and equity is higher compared to operation. Cost of the business, which means it's earning profit, the business has good indicator to have long life of operations.
For the socio-economic benefits, first to the employee are the most valuable asset, crucial for quality and service. We commit to equal opportunity, flexibility, fair compensation, benefits, and skill enhancing training to ensure smooth operations. Next, to the customer. We offer the nutritious, convenient, and affordable rice coffee with malunggay, providing a healthy daily beverage option that help customers save money. For the environment, we are dedicated to environmentally sustainable production. We responsibly managing waste, prioritizing and eco-friendly materials. We aim to minimize landfill use and promote environmental conservation. To the employment, producing our coffee with malunggay will create jobs, income, reducing unemployment and boosting economic growth in the Philippines. And lastly, to the government. Patienting with the government aim to enhance national welfare with the health benefit, rice product boosting revenue, public services, and community development.
In conclusion, the following will answer the statement in this study. In marketing aspect, in product, it is important to prioritize enhanced taste to meet consumer preference, especially for coffee. In price, it is also considered consumer perceived value, competitor prices, and production costs in pricing strategy. In promotion, using a blend of personal and social media advertising, flyers and tarpaulin is consistent for messaging. And lastly, for place, the best way to advertise is in the high traffic area like physical store, online marketplace, and social media. And for the management aspect, the company will hire the project schedule and enhance production and distribution through clear, consistent communication for better alignment. And for the operation aspect, to improve production, distribution, and inventory management by implementing standard procedure and schedule to ensure consistent and reduce variability. And for financial aspect, to ensure long-term stability and probability, the company will develop a business plan that align marketing and business goal in with overall objectives. And lastly, the socio-economic aspect. The company will manage waste and use eco-friendly practices, create local jobs with fair wages, and ensure a safe workplace, offer a quality product with fair price, and comply with government standard. And in recommendation, in marketing aspect, in terms of marketing, it is suggested that for the company to collaborate with famous influencer to gain more brand recognition. And in terms in product, it is suggested to try other variety of rice or improve its current taste by using healthy additional other than malunggay. And for the management aspect, in terms in management, it is suggested to hire other managerial position to oversee other needed other aspect of the business.
For the operations aspect, in terms of operations aspect, it is suggested that the company should invest the high quality raw materials and equipment to legit, trustworthy suppliers that offer a good price. For the financial assistance, when it comes to financial aspect, it is important to monitor and understand changes in the political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental factor that they identify needed aspect. And lastly is the socio-economic aspect. In terms of socio-economic aspect, it is suggested for the company to support more social and governmental activities to build the competitive brand image.
And before we do that, we would like to show our sample online advertising.
Bakit niya naman ginagawa?
Ito, RC3 or Scope ko, kahit nasa ka mag-coffee, hindi ka na mabubuhay.
Can you repeat it? Can you repeat it? Back mo. Ulitin natin, hindi namin masyadong narinig yung una. Sige, okay na. Okay na. Sige.
Teo, commercial nyo yan. Ang ganun talaga. Kaya nga.
RC3 or Scope ko,
Ayoko yung commercial.
mag-coffee, hindi ka na mabubuhay.
Parang kuyate na ito talaga kasi doon.
Sino naman yan? Teo, ulit.
Saan ka basa ba?
For only 42 pesos, ibenta ka na, nakamura ka pa.
Saan yung ilong na yan?
Bili ka na ng Cooperes. Visit us on MacArthur or College Pampanga. For more information, message us on our Facebook pages, Instagram, and TikTok.
Boss boy naman.
Buhay naman kung ano.
Are you ready for
Kasi pinagawa ko sa Facebook, sa professional.
That before for our product presentation. So now we are asking your opinions and suggestions about our